Hello YouTube friends and family, welcome back to the shop. So today we're going to be talking about the Spindle control box. Our spindle, I think we should probably take a look at that, is on the machine. It is a 3 horsepower or 2.2 kilowatt water-cooled Huanyang spindle. And that, you can see coming out the side here, there is, let me get this hose out of the way, this USB cable. This is a USB-C cable, and it goes down to the drive control box into the breakout board. And when we look up here, the USB-C cable comes in here, and there is what is called a breakout board in here. And if anybody's interested, let me know and I can provide links in the description or in your comments for where to get these items. What the breakout board does is it takes the signal from the USB-C cable and breaks it out into wires that I can then connect to these 3 terminals here. One takes a 10-volt source back to the breakout board inside the main control box. One brings back a modified signal, and the other is the ground. Over here we have our 240 volt power coming in to the inverter control box, and then you've got ground and then the 3 phases that are generated by this Huanyang inverter. Down here a little lower we have a 2-phase circuit breaker. This protects the inverter itself, and a contactor. This uses the momentary push buttons on the cover to turn on the inverter. If there's an emergency stop condition, this drops out so no power can go back to the spindle. There's an emergency stop button on the cover. Here, and this just ties into the main emergency stop loop, so if I had hit any of the emergency stop buttons, it just trips a relay inside the main control box. The rest that's in here is just terminals for power distribution. There's a fuse down here that protects the 120 volt stuff. And that's it, as always. Oh, actually, real quick, this holder for the Huanyang control panel for the inverter, you can actually pick those up on Amazon. They're a rat rig product. I'll also let me know if you got questions. I had to 3D print a ring spacer so that it wasn't hitting my particular inverter, but that's not necessary if you plan a little better than I did. So let's see, we talked about how everything's connected and using a USB-C cable. Well, it seems like it's about it. I hope everybody's having a great new year. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I appreciate all your support so far. Thanks, and have a great day.